So how long then does a 1A divorce actually take in Massachusetts? An uncontested 1A divorce in Massachusetts typically on average takes like 4, 5, 6 months from the date you file until the date your divorce becomes final. This includes a court hearing, a 30-day waiting period before the judgment enters, and this mandatory 120-day nisi period that runs after the judgment. So in this situation, both spouses are going to file what's called a joint petition with a signed separation agreement and financial statements. Other things too, depending on your specific circumstances, maybe like child support guidelines. The court schedules a hearing within 4 to 8 weeks. After a judge approves the agreement, there is this 30-day waiting period before a judgment of divorce nisi is issued. And then Massachusetts law requires another waiting period. It's this mandatory nisi period. You cannot waive, you cannot shorten it. I'm really sorry. Once those 120 days pass, though, the absolute judgment of divorce enters automatically. Total, filing, hearing, 30-day wait, 120-day nisi period, 5 to 6 months in most cases. I double-checked my math, and I'm not good at mathing. Okay, so you filed your 1A in January. Great time to get divorced. Top of the year. The court schedules your hearing 6 weeks later. The judge approved your agreement in under 15 minutes. Fingers crossed. You wait 30 days for the nisi to enter, then another 120 days for it to become absolute. Pro tip, the judge will usually say if you are resuming a former name, your former last name, you can totally use it during this period. You were officially then divorced in late June. Still got the rest of the year. 5 months and 12 days, exactly, from start to finish. This video is general legal information, not legal advice. So why I do this? I really want to take a second before you go because I think about the people watching these videos probably more than you realize I do. If you found this channel, something about your life is likely in transition. Maybe it's your marriage, maybe it's your kids, maybe it's just trying to figure out how to protect what you've built for the people that you love. And I know that at this moment you're searching for answers. The last thing that you need is more confusion. I get this, more legal jargon, more people talking at you instead of to you, with you, for you. That's why I built this channel, to give you real answers in plain English before you ever have to call anyone. Here's what I want for you specifically. I want you to walk away from every video feeling like you understand your situation a little bit better than you did before. Not overwhelmed, but informed. Not scared, but maybe ready. Because here's what I've learned after years of doing this work. Most people going through family law situations are not dealing with something impossible, even though, trust me, I know it feels that way. What makes it feel impossible is not knowing what comes next. What this channel is for is exactly for that. So when you do sit down with an attorney, whether it's me or somebody else, you walk in knowing the right questions to ask. You walk in understanding some of your options. You walk in like someone who already has some footing. That is what you deserve. And that is why I am here to help you. The next step. If today's video answered even one question that you've been carrying around, that's enough. Take it and use it. And if your situation needs more than a video can give, my office is just one call or one click away. We sit down with people really every day who are exactly where you are now, ready to move forward and just needing someone to help them see some sort of path forward. The link is in the description. I really hope I hear from you. I'm attorney Lindsey Egan, and I am here to help you.